Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record professional quality audio using any mobile phone without a studio, without expensive gear, and without complicated software. Because here is the reality, you can fix the video mistakes, you can improve the visuals, but bad audio kills the retention instantly. And the biggest myth is that you need expensive microphones to sound professional. No, you don't. You just need the right process. So, in the next few minutes, I will walk you through how to record correctly, how to enhance the audio on your phone, and when upgrading actually makes sense. So, first of all, we need to understand why most of the mobile audio sounds really bad. Most of the people blame their phone, but the phone is rarely the problem. The real issues are recording in the noisy or echo filled rooms, keeping the phone too far or too close, and trying to fix everything with editing later. Now, editing improves your audio undoubtedly. It does not rescue the bad recordings though. So, we need to fix the recording first. So, first of all, you need to start with your environment. Just choose the quietest place in your home, close the windows and the doors, turn off the fans, AC, and background noise. If your voice sounds hollow or echoey, you can place the soft items like pillows or curtains around you. These absorbs the reflections and instantly clean up your sound. Now you need to understand about the positioning of your phone. You need to keep the phone 6 to 8 inches from your mouth. Too far means weak voice and more noise. Too close causes distortion. Just place the phone on a table or a tripod if possible. If you are holding it, just keep the distance consistent while speaking. So this alone will make your audio sound twice as good. Now your default voice recorder works, but it also limits the quality. Instead, you can use a free recording application that lets you record in. For this particular purpose, you will have to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, when you search for audio recorder, you are going to see bunch of different free audio recording applications. Among these, I highly recommend you to download the Rack Forge 2. So in this particular tool, you are going to basically record your audio in a very good quality. So make sure that whichever audio recorder you are using, it has the WAV format and the high bitrate MP3 format available. WAV is always better because it preserves the detail and it responds better to editing. This step doesn't make the audio perfect, but it makes it editable, which is what matters. Now, let's be honest, phones can sound very good, but they have limits. If phones alone were enough, professionals wouldn't use microphones. So, to get the best phone audio, you need to record close, control your environment, and avoid any aggressive AI fixes. If your phone needs to stay far from you during the video editing, editing alone won't save the sound. If you want a noticeable jump in quality, your first upgrade should be audio and not the camera gear. A wireless lavalier mic designed for mobile phones works best because it stays close to your mouth, it keeps the volume consistent and reduces the background noise naturally. Make sure that your microphone has noise cancellations. Make sure that it has the clip protection, good battery life, USB-C or lightning support. Even a basic microphone upgrade can make your content sound more premium. Now let's talk about editing your audio on your phone. For this particular purpose, you can use this editor which is called Lexus Audio Editor. The workflow here is very simple. You just have to put your audio here in the timeline. In this particular timeline, you just have to trim the mistakes and the silence. apply the light noise reduction, add compression to balance the volume, normalize for the clean loudness. You can use EQs to add the clarity and the warmth. Small adjustment also matters. Over editing makes the audio sound robotic. So if your recording is clean, editing becomes very easy. If you like to record your audio with your video, you can extract the audio using video to audio application. You can edit it separately and then replace the original audio in your video editor. So this is a standard professional workflow, nothing advanced. So that's how you can create a professional sounding audio using just your mobile phone in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.